Hello everybody, in today's video I will teach you what is an array and how to use them. Firstly, what is an array? An array is a variable that can store multiple values, and this has a fixed size, so you have to remember this. First, in order to declare an array, you would be typing string, and what indicates an array is the square brackets after this. So we will be typing people, an array of people equals, and then a pair of curly braces, and then double quotation, the people we want inside of this. So let's type in John, Jiro, I guess, and Jamie. This is an array, and if we type in, if we console right line the name of our array, which is people, what will output is the data type of our array, which is string, instead of the values within our array. So if you want to access the values inside of our array of people, you will need to type the square bracket and the index of these values. And you have to remember that a computer starts to count at 0. So John would be valued at 0, Jiro is valued at 1, and Jamie would be valued at 2. So if I type in 0 here, what would output is John. So if we type in 1 and 2, the other two would output. So what happens if you put 3? What would occur is an exception, which is the index out of range exception. You just have to make sure that you're not calling the name of something that doesn't exist, or you will run into an exception or an error. And this is just one way to declare an array. Another way would be to declare the size first, or the number of index, before you assign a value to them. So in order to do that, we would delete this and then continue this by typing new string. And inside of this square brackets, we would be putting the amount of index we have, so 3. And it also doesn't matter if you just put 4 and you put 3 values, it's no biggie. And you would be assigning values now, so we will start at 0, and then I'm assigning the value, which is John, and then this would be 1, and then 2, this would be Jamie, or 0 first. There we go. Once we run this, it should run as normal. And that, guys, is what is an array and how to use an array. And that is where the video ends now.